So how can you undo the text on the iPhone email? Let's explain that. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one. Okay, when you open up the email application, right, you can just start typing your message, whatever, and you have some options within it. So first of all, if you want to return back and undo the thing you have written, you can shake your iPhone like that, and it will ask you if you want to undo the typing. So you click on undo, and it will make it disappear, or whatever happened before, it will get you back to that state. If this feature does not work, open up your settings app, go to accessibility, and part of the touch section, go to the shake to undo where there is just one toggle. Ensure it is enabled and turn on for you. And it works in multiple different apps and places, so not just in the mail, but you'll now know that you can just shake your iPhone and undo your actions. That's one thing. On the other hand, there is also a way to undo the sending of email. Right? So if you send an email, you can decide quickly within 30 seconds or so that you actually don't want to send it, and you can undo it, unsend it, if that makes sense. And this needs to be set up inside of your settings app, where you go to the apps section at the bottom. From the list, you look up the mail like that, and you'll be able to see many different options right now. But once you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see at the bottom entirely a setting which is called undo send delay. So as I said, it can be set up maximum for 30 seconds. So when you click on a send email, it will technically wait 30 seconds, giving you the chance to undo it. So that's pretty cool, just to, keep in mind that you have that option. So yeah, let me know if that's the thing that you are looking for or wanted to change and see on your device. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.